What's going on, tubers? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm in the process of restoring this 81 Honda XR80, making it look good, making it run good. And this is episode number 3. We're going to be moving on to the seat, getting the seat looking proper, you know what I'm saying? But if you haven't been here before, you can go and check out other videos of motorcycle activities, braptivities I like to call it. Walk around, an explanation of this 71 R5, the current state and progress of the 77 XS360, and videos of my new KTM 500 EXC 2020. There's also a couple supermoto conversions on there for an 05 450 EXC, a Honda 250L. There's Grom stuff, dual sport stuff, sport bike stuff, and even a 66 Harley Davidson M50 Armachi. This is the product I used on other seats, such as the seat I made for the R5, which, a side note, I am going to be making a completely new seat. I might even change the color. I'm waiting on the foam as we speak, but it's great, it works good, it dries fast, and it's super strong. So first thing I want to do is spray down the pan and the underside of the foam so we can get that sticking in the same position that I took it off. Then we're going to put the cover on, peel it back halfway, spray it, and do the same thing on the rear. I already took the liberty of bending back all the little anchor points, so we're all set up. Mail time. What do we got? I think it's the oil seal. Oh shit, look at that. The return spring for the rear brake pedal. Nice! Hell yeah. Definitely doing a test fit. I just gotta get my custom spring pulling tool. Look at that. You can't buy that. Look at, like, what is that? That's not right. Hook this on there, pull it. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Enough of that nonsense. Just gotta go ahead and hook this under here. Use the custom tool to pull it up on the peg. Don't even know if it's needed, actually. Boom. Nice and secure. Look at that action. So something I might have forgot to mention, or maybe I did mention it. This spot right here, there's supposed to be this tiny 10mm rubber plug, and I ordered it from overseas, and then they refunded me the money on PayPal. So probably it wasn't available, or my American money wasn't enough, I don't know, but I have another idea for that. I have rubber pieces I can put there, but I need to heat this up and bend it because it's been crushed, probably from not having a little rubber stopper there, and it's been hitting the clutch cover, as you can see. But that ain't nothing but a thing. I got that. So we're gonna break out some heat on this one to help persuade it to get back to its original position. Gonna have to break out the Andrew Carnegie hammer on this one. Look at that. See that action? This thing is the bee's knees. Anyway, look at that. Look at that, tubers. You guys like apples? How about them apples? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a generous spray of this adhesive here. But I don't want to keep my camera around and get it all over the camera, so hold. The foam is now glued to the pan. In no way is this going to be perfect when it's done, but it is going to be nice. The instructions that came with the seat cover, it said to let the seat cover sit in the sun for about an hour because it makes it easier to pull around and everything. I'm going to peel back the front, glue it, peel back the back, glue it, and then anchor it in, you know what I'm saying? We're going to finish this up here. I let it sit in the sun and kind of expand it a little bit, make it easier to work with, the material itself. I'm going to peel the front back, spray on the adhesive, push it back over, and do the same thing on the back. I'm sure some of you upholstery guys are looking at me like, what in the hell is that boy doing? I'm an amateur, okay? Pipe down. Go ahead and go into the back side. But we're just gonna go for the top first and then worry about the sides as we pull it over. Having this stuff on your hands is really fun. In case you were wondering, you could try it out yourself. I have all the shark teeth pointed out to anchor in the seat material. I don't know whether to start from the front or the back, but I guess I'm just gonna send it. Sometimes you're good at some things and better at others, but also there's some times when you just suck at things, and there's two things that I suck at. One's electrical, and two is upholstery. But whatever. Remember what it looked like before? See how it looks on the bike. How about that? That's nice. I mean, come on. I'm not gonna sit here and complain about that, tubers. Remember what it looked like before? That's nice. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Yo, I just sat on this thing. That is the most comfortable motorcycle seat I've ever put my ass on. Wow. Alright, tubers, Sunday morning. I'm gonna go meet up with my boy Antonio, get this gas tank welded. Got it right there. About a 42-minute drive. After some light grinding, there is in fact a hole. Definitely fixable. Alright, made it back to the clubhouse. We have our repaired gas tank, which is watertight. It does not leak anything anymore. So, I say, put the bike back together, put the carb on, exhaust pipe, everything I took off pretty much, and see if we can get it running and driving. probably a good idea to check the oil before I go any further. Plenty of oil and it looks clean, so we're okay to proceed. Put her back together, put in some fresh gas. Let's see if the thing runs. Sounds pretty damn good. No leaks. Alright tubers, so she's now running, she's now driving, and the gas tank is not leaked, that is now repaired. And I just need to get her running a little bit better. We're going to do a valve adjustment, a little bit of carb tuning, possibly jetting, and just continue on with it. This is a huge success, so it's definitely a worthy contender of restoring fully, especially with the gas tank repaired. So shout out to Antonio for hooking me up with that nice weld, and I'll catch you in the next video.